Pie toys. Hello pies, and today I'm with Cutie Pie. And today we just went to McDonald's and we got some cool happy places. We got a Shopkins place and it's a kitty parlor. Aw, look. So Cutie Pie, which one you want to open first? Open. Which one? Oh, you want to open this one? Okay, she picked this one in the middle. Oh, it's just little Cutie Pie, huh? Yeah. Oh, let's open this up. Oh, it's super cute. Okay, let's open this. Oh, it's little Winky Cat. Let's put its ears up. Its paws from the side right here. No, it went inside. Oh well. Oh well, we only got one paw open, so let's open this up. Okay. Oh wait, let me fix this first. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Oh, we got this cute little kitty chair. Now, Cutie Pie's occupied over there, obviously. Now let's open another one. Oh. Oh, so cute. This is a little kitty face and ears and whiskers. Here we got this card tracker. And here is we got the kitty kitchen. Ooh, hopefully I get I don't know what I want, but the toaster is adorable. Oh, you want me to help Cutie Pie? Oh, thank you, Cutie Pie. Okay. Let's open this. We got a toaster! Yay! But it's not the rare one though, but it's super cute. Okay, now guys, let's open this one. Hopefully we don't get the same thing. Here we got another cute table. These are just never get old, but here you get to have a longer grasp of it. And here are cute little tails, so cute. Yes? Huh?
Kiss.
Aw, kissy. Aw. But here is a kitty. Here, you want the kitty? Oh, so sweet. Now let's open this up. Pause. Aw, Cutie Pie, you're so sweet. Oh, we got another cute little chair. Aw. I'm so happy we get to have two chairs. Too bad we didn't get the golden toaster, but the toaster is still cute. But look at this chair. Here we have the little kitty chair. And you see, it has ears, whiskers, a mouth, and cute eyes. Also, it has an adorable tail. I think this is just adorable. And I love the ears are pink. And here we have our tables. I think they're just super cute. They have teal ears, a mouth, closing eyes are closed, whiskers, and a tail. I think the tails are just adorable. And here is my favorite. It's a cute little toaster with the cutest toast inside of it. Oh, I think that's just adorable. And here, I think this is like a little counter, but I don't know. I think it's adorable with its pink ears and adorable tail. Now, let's set this up and send some friends over for some tea. Let's go. No. I think this is going to be the most adorable tea party ever because I just love cats. There we go. Our table set is ready, and I think it's the cutest. So let's bring our friends over. So here, I got over with me is MC Swag and Little Diva. Well, not Little Diva, but she's Diva. Hey, MC Swag. What are you having for McDonald's this time? I'm not sure. I like a big pack of french fries. They're my favorite. I think I just have a hot and spicy. Diva and MC Swag are gonna eat right now. So bye bye, my little pies.